With pleasure that this morning we are releasing bursaries for boarding schools in Alego, Usonga, and PWDs. The total amount we are going to release this morning is 13.9, sorry, of which 12.9 will go towards boarding and 1 million will go towards PWDs. And I think that these checks should be in school this week, if not today. The checks are ready for collection, and we believe they'll be able to be picked as from this morning.
On behalf of the committee, we have been sponsoring these kids to national schools yearly when we have full scholarship. And after full scholarship, we normally give the provincial, the county, the extra county, and the county schools. It is always very sad to find a student that has gone to a national school with over 400 marks. In term 1, the child comes back with C+. That one is an indicator that by the end of 4 years, such a child is not going to meet the expectation. So we want to urge our parents to continue talking to these children so that they keep the light of Alego Usonga burning. Because we want that by the end of 4 years, anybody going to secondary school and getting full scholarship must go to university. And any child that goes to any extra county school, county, and is getting sponsorship, let that child also do the best, so that by the end of it, we become so proud that by the end of 3-year term of our MP, we shall be proud that he was able to take so many to the national schools, so many to the university, and how many, by the end of it, how many have got the best job opportunities that are in Kenya.